In today's tutorial video of 1 to Step, I'm going to show you how to log into your L.L Bean's credit card account. The credit card of L.L Beans is actually issued by Citibank.com. So to log into that account, you can log in through the website of Citibank. So first of all, open up your web browser and search for L.L Bean credit card login. And as you can see, this search result will open up which says L.L Bean credit card, and it is the website of Citibank. So just click on this link and it is going to take you to the login box. Now from here you just need to type in your user ID and the password that you created while signing up. If you don't remember your user ID or your password, you can click on retrieve user ID and click on reset password for the password. To recover user ID, you can type in the card number, the name on the card, the security code, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. To recover or reset your password, you'll need to type in the name of the card, the last 4 digits of your social security number, and the phone number that is linked with your L.L Beans. But if you remember it, you can type it in. And if you want this device to remember your user ID, the next time you log in, you can check this box. Once you fill in both this information, you can just click on sign in and you'll be easily logged in to your L.L Bean credit card account. So that was a quick and easy video. I hope you guys understood and found this video helpful. That's pretty much it for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.